Hey, what's up guys? It's Fast Action Jax. Beside me, I have a Stage 4 kit for the Milwaukee 8 engine, and I'm going to talk a little bit about it with you guys. It's got CNC ported and polished heads. It's got performance valve springs. It's got a 64 millimeter throttle body. It has high flow injectors that it comes with at 5.5 grams per second, which is about 24% increase over stock. These stock injectors are around 4.2 grams per second, I believe. It comes with high compression pistons, which will bring your compression up to about 11.1, paired with the 515 cams, which is the highest lift cam available from Harley for the Milwaukee 8 engine at the moment. It also comes with updated Screamin Eagle cam bearings and Screamin Eagle tappets, and it also has a 1-year limited warranty. This is an awesome kit, guys. Like I said, it's the Stage 4 kit. It will bring your motor from 107 cubic inches to 114 cubic inches. This Stage 4 kit was developed to deliver maximum horsepower from the Milwaukee 8 engine all the way to redline. The combination of the larger displacement cylinders along with the CNC ported heads and a cam with the highest available lift are perfect for horsepower junkies and getting that torque and horsepower up. You guys will really dig this. It increases the throttle response up to 52%. It is an awesome kit paired with a tune. It will really make your bike go. Also, I wanted to let you guys know we're doing our dyno shootout on December 8th. So on December 8th, come in, get this kit, get it installed on your bike, come to the dyno shootout, have a good time with us. I'll be there, I'll have my bike on there. I know a lot of other guys will be there as well. So come check us out, have some fun, come check this kit out. Thanks for watching guys, and have a rockin' Harley day.